either currently until the market breaks out of this, what you're seeing here, or a better way to actually trade this type of really difficult trading method is to add one of the hardest ways to trade the markets is what you're seeing right now. And I'm going to explain to you how we can get ahead of it and understand whether or not you should even be trading. I'm using NinjaTrader on the MNQ. You can do this on TradingView as well. What you're looking at is a typical chart. As soon as the market opens, there's no direction. There's no opportunity where the market is moving higher or lower. One of the hardest ways to understand market direction is what you're seeing right now. It's called a channel, it's called a chop, it's called whipsaw. It's really difficult to trade. So as soon as the market opened here on the Nasdaq, 9:30 New York time, the market went down here, and then it went up, and then it went down, and then it went up, and then it went down again. And here we are right now. When I crunch up the chart or squeeze the chart, which I recommend doing, you're going to see for the last 2 hours that the market is essentially stuck in a range. Now, we don't know that the market is going to be stuck in a range, right? We all want, especially with the Nasdaq, we all want the market to move higher or lower and then continue. We want to see a trend. We want to see the market start something, start a move, and then we jump on board any type of move that you're talking about, and then we continue in that same direction. But we don't have this opportunity. So a lot of you are probably asking, well, why can't we channel surf or surf the channel? And that's true, you can. And channel surfing is a way where you first have to understand that we're in a channel or in a range. And then every time the market moves and hits the top of the range, you do the opposite. Hits the bottom of the range, you do the opposite. Hits the top of the range, you do the opposite. Counter trend trading is another terminology for those of you who are trying to understand how this is working. Now, I have a completely different take on this, which I'm going to explain. We don't know that the market is heading and doing this, right? So we're all expecting the market to start and then move and continue. So this is all known after the fact. When you see a situation like this, the first thing I want to do is I want to know when I should not trade, which is either currently until the market breaks out of this, what you're seeing here, or a better way to actually trade this type of really difficult trading method is to add what I call the Atlas line indicator by Day Trade to Win. And I'm going to add this here because this allows me to understand as the market evolves if I should be a buyer or if I should be a seller. So right now, as the Atlas line is plotting, as you can see it here, the goal behind using the Atlas line is only looking for long trades when we see the market hit the Atlas line and bounce above it, or hit the Atlas line and bounce below it. And so right now, we have this here as a short, we have this here as a long, we have this here as a long. This initial long trade obviously was a losing trade, but part of the rules, if it's too far away from the Atlas line, it's not taken to begin with. So this actually would have been filtered out. But as you can see, if the market begins to now go higher, we're going to have a long signal as it leads you up towards testing where the highs of this range happen to be. And so we're not looking at trading the range and reversing every time it hits the top of the range or the bottom of this channel, this range. We're not looking to do that. Instead, we're looking to go long into it or short into it. That to me is a better way to understand what's happening, because if you're just going to counter trend, when and eventually it will, it's just a matter of time, that as soon as the market hits this, it's going to break through it, or vice versa. Once it goes below it, it's going to break through it. So counter trend trading has a place for traders, but at this point, the market's already bounced off of either side of this multiple times. There's no reason for me to be a counter trend trader. This has to go somewhere. The market cannot stay stuck like this. So a better way to apply it is going long. I'm using the Atlas line as it leads me up or as it leads me down. So that's a completely different way to trade this type of a channel. If you have any questions, visit daytradetowin.com. Get a free member account, get access to some of our software. We have the news indicator here for NinjaTrader. This is a free download for those of you who haven't already tried it. It just tells you when we have news live. It plots it for you in advance, and you have an opportunity to stay out of the market based on those news events that are scheduled. Visit daytradetowin.com. I'll see everyone at the next video. Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.